Frogs speak in voices we're only beginning to understand. Tonight, we'll listen to one of the rainforest's most iconic species, Agalychnis callidryas, the red-eyed tree frog, and explore three distinct calls made by males, each with its own purpose. The first two are advertisement calls, signals to females and rivals alike that the caller is present. The third is something different, a sharper, urgent call meant for male-to-male communication and territorial defense. Let's hear them. The first call is simple, a single note croak. It's the male's way of saying, "I'm here." Let's hear that again. The second call builds on the first, a double note croak, chack chack. It serves the same purpose but with more emphasis, cutting through the chorus. Let's hear it once more. Finally, the most dramatic, a rapid, high-frequency stutter. This isn't for attracting mates. It's a challenge, a territorial warning to other males. And again. Now, let's step back and listen to them together. The full chorus of red-eyed tree frogs calling from a breeding pond in the Costa Rican rainforest. A symphony in the night.